Hey guys, it's me, the Happy Cultivator, Urban Gardener, and today we're back at the Turtle Pond and we're with Felipe for the unboxing and review of Arrma's Infraction 1/8 scale 4-wheel drive electric Resto-Mod truck with 570 brushed motor in it, ready to run. Now this is a steel that I got off of Tower Hobbies in their scratch and dent section, and I'm really excited about it. I got it for $100 off of the normal price, so we'll be able to make this thing brushless for less than the cost of the brushless setup. So that's the plan for this, but the first thing I want to do is unbox this Infraction, show you how it comes straight out of the box, and then we'll take it out and we'll give it a good bash. We'll probably do a little bashing through the yard here, and then in a later video we'll upgrade this thing to a at least 3S brushless system. So with that, let's go ahead and break these factory seals here. Here's all your specs. Basically, it's going to come with the power module that is basically set up for a brushless 37 tooth there. It's got all bearings in it. It comes with the EC3 connectors and a Spectrum radio system. Okay, so let's pop these factory seals and see how it comes inside. All right, factory seal's broken. Let's take this lid off. Bam, and there she is. Comes factory saran wrapped to keep the body nice, straight out of the box. It feels like it's locked down to the bottom of this cardboard with something. And then over here, this I believe is going to be our radio system. So let's go ahead and pop this open and take a look here at the Spectrum radio system. So it comes bubble wrapped. There you go. A little cheapy. I mean, what can you expect? That's probably for binding. Okay, and in here we also have the Arrma charger with different style chargers for international. All right, the other thing we have in here is our manual, and it looks like we have a little tool in there. Yep, a little tool in there. So now let's set this stuff all aside here, and let's try to get this bad boy out of here and show you how it looks, and then we'll charge it up. Pulled it up, and I see it does have some zip ties on it, so let's give those a cut. All right, we got those cut, so we should be able to pull it out now. All right, I pulled it out here. There's our Arrma Infraction all sealed up. Check it out. It's got kind of like knobby tires on it, but yeah, it's really low to the ground. Let's go ahead and take this off of here. You didn't have a nut on it, and when we're going to be taking it out and bashing it, it's got these clips on here that stay attached to the car. Kind of cool. It's got this little plastic frame on the body, I'm assuming to kind of protect the body a little bit. And don't just bash, blast, guys. One of Arrma's slogans there. So put that body aside, and there she is. See, a little knobby tires, but low to the ground. Kind of a little bit, sort of like a rally truck almost. 570 brushed in there, but we'll be switching that out to some kind of brushless setup that I'll figure out I think I can get a pretty good brushless setup for not too much, but this is a pretty good 9-turn, what is it, a 570 motor there, so yeah. Not sure what upgrades I'll need to do to it at this point, but it's pretty bash ready. I'm gonna just replace parts as I need to and upgrade here and there. I'm sure some aluminum shocks will come into the picture as they usually do. But let's go ahead and set it over here on the concrete so you guys can take a look there. Pretty nice little setup. Comes with the 3300 nickel metal hydride with the brushed system. Like I said, this is all ready to run. This is the basic basher that they have, and for the price being $100 knocked off, and knowing that there is some inexpensive brushless setups that I can put in there for literally like 70 bucks, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay guys, we have the hump pack charged, ready to go. So let's throw it in the Infraction and we'll take it for a little drive right here in my driveway. Alright, we got the Spectrum here. Let's go ahead and turn that on. Alright, she's on. Now let's hook up the battery. Battery plugged. Let's turn her on. Alright. Everything seems to be working there. Alright, so let's throw this body on and take her for a rip. Alright, let's get it out in the street and see what it can really do.